Hey, what's up guys, Tasche here, and today I wanted to give you a heads up and let you know that I'll be doing a review of a brand new software from rutecky and Mike from Maine called myMailIt. Now, you might remember a few years ago when Brett released his MailIt WordPress plugin, which basically allowed you to use your web server as an autoresponder and no longer be dependent upon a third-party autoresponder service. Well, after realizing that there were so many features that needed to be added into the plugin that just couldn't be added in, because of the limitations of the WordPress plugin, Brett went back to the drawing board and recreated the MailIt software as a cloud-based software, adding a ton more features and rebranding it as myMailIt. Now, the software is being released on April 8th, 2018 at 10 a.m. Eastern. And as always, I'll be sending out my review via email about an hour before the product goes live, give you a chance to check out the review, learn about the product, and then take action and grab a copy for yourself. Of course, I'm also going to be adding a ton of bonuses with this, as always, to help you to increase the value for you and also to help enhance your use of the software. And also, as always, Brett and Mike are adding a ton of their own bonuses as well, so you're going to get a ton of extra value with this software. So, again, the product is being released April 8th, 2018 at 10 a.m. Eastern. I'll send out my review for you about 9 a.m. Eastern, give you a chance to look it over and learn about the product, and then make a decision on taking action to grab a copy for yourself. Okay. Now, if you're not on my email list, and maybe you're watching this video on YouTube, for example, or maybe you happen to come across this page, I'm going to have a link in the YouTube description, and also on this page here, there'll be a button or a link that's going to link to my review that you can access when the review goes live. Okay. Now, of course, if you are on my email list, just look for an email from me about 9 a.m. on the 8th of April with the subject myMailIt review, and you'll get all the details inside that email. Okay. With that, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching. Look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.